Good evening, Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for November 18th, 2024. We'll head right into the reports. In the sniper trade of the day today, Alcoa on 10-minute charts opened up with an OR10 in the blue box, I should say. Got the OR10 breakdown for the entry at the red dot with a standard risk, and we terminated that trade with a 1-2-3 entry at the skin of the dragon for a total of 2R. It continued on after that harsh winter for a supported spring crossing entry with the same standard risk, and with another 2R where we took the PSAR exit. So for a total of 4R. In the market 150, we're stabilizing here back at the pre-Trump price levels to see what we can see. The Trump bump is over. Still in overbought conditions. You can see in the 30-day look back that we had an inside day today with a slightly improved close. On the 30-minute bar, basically a stabilized pricing at the VWAP, poised for a sharp move in either direction for the rest of this week. This is a classic compound critical state, waiting to see some market direction and leadership take place. The market is waiting to see on NVIDIA's earnings. That will cause a groundswell of enthusiasm or panic based on how that goes. We've got bullish normal conditions, still strongly overbought long-term, neutral, positive on the short term. Risk on conditions in the risk Z, riding the top of the dragon in the river here. A few buy on dip opportunities in tech, mid caps and small caps. Tech looks especially well sorted out today for continuations. Big moves up in Tesla and Disney. Plenty of symbols on the auto framer that test out better than 2-to-1. So it's a buyer's market to choose from there. In the ETF 30, big upward move in energy, XLE, as well as DBA agriculture, and tons of great symbols postured in the auto framer, just waiting for more or any market leadership to emerge. An abundance of auto framers, as you can see, in our usual suspects, including Caterpillar. I love at 9-2. That is such a powerful chart. Coca-Cola is powerful. Materials, IWM, all well postured for follow-on moves. Daily squeezes, Caterpillar, 3M, Diamonds, and DuPont. Every one of them is in great shape for a potential explosive move outward and upward. Again, here's the auto framer in TC 2000. Lots to choose from. Still being dominated by summer and spring, so generally favorable conditions. A few in the winter that may offer some value plays. The indexes mostly stayed in the trading range of the last 10 days. Only Procter and Gamble, utilities and energy broke out. Slight breakdown on Nike. And the top 10 intraday trading value symbols remain the same. Marijuana, clean energy, Intel, NVIDIA, Palantir, Tesla among the top 10. All looking pretty good. And that's everything for today. We'll get this published and posted and be ready for them tomorrow. Had a really good coaching session over this weekend and then tonight. So I encourage you to take advantage of the end of year pricing and lock in your prices before 2025 if you're interested in coaching. Take good care, and we shall see you in the chat room.